Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys iPhone Bluetooth setting guys, and today video title is guys how to pair Bluetooth device in iPhone. Friends, you want to pair Bluetooth device in your iPhone, so when how to pair it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, first of all we will on phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting in your iPhone device. Friends, you can see first is aeroplane mode setting. So you want to use aeroplane mode, so guys you can on, and friends you can see aeroplane mode icon will show on your status bar. So guys we will off it. Friends, second friends, you can see Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you want to on, you can on your Wi-Fi, and friends you want to connect any device, so you can connect from here. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth option, so I will click here. Friends, you can see Bluetooth setting guys. First of all we will on from here. After on friends, you want to connect any device, so guys you can connect and you can use from here. Guys, any speaker you want to pair, you want to pair any device, so you can pair. As you can see, this not connected guys. And friends, you want to forget any device, so guys you can forget device. So guys your device will forget which device guys you have paired, you can forget from here. So friends, you want to connect a network, your Bluetooth device, so friends you can pair, and guys you can connect and you can use. And again last guys, you don't want to use guys, you want to off your Bluetooth, so you can off from here. So I hope friends you understood how to pair Bluetooth device in iPhone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys. Again guys, open phone setting, Bluetooth setting guys you want to on, so you can on, and you can pair any device from here. Click on the device name, and friends you can see your pair option, so guys click on pair option and you can pair and you can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.